All right, who do we have here today?
I'm Eric.
And?
Jordan.
Jordan, what are we doing today?
Skydiving.
Jumping out of planes with strangers.
Yes.
You trust me to throw you out of an airplane even though we just met? You're crazy.
You're very like a trusting
Whose
person.
idea was this?
You know what you're doing.
I'm glad she thinks so.
I asked.
This is your fault. And you're just agreeing with this.
You know, it seemed like a great idea at the time. It briefed exceptionally well. We'll see how it executes.
We're gonna have a fun time. Any last words, final comments, confessions, in case we don't make it to your next birthday?
I'm sure I'll make sure my confession later.
For me, it's always the same. Take the computer, tablet, phone, please burn all of it, bury it in the desert. The wife can have the rest of it. Let's go rock out of Skydive and have some fun. High five. High five. Here we go, guys.
All right.
All right.
Yeah. Here we go, guys. Yeah. Get in, let's get up, let's get out. That's okay, I got a good shot. Here we go. High five. That's fine, you don't need to see anything. They're gonna see it all. What do you think of that?
That's amazing.
Pretty cool, right?
Oh yeah.
How you like it?
Phenomenal.
Right? You're doing great, by the way. I told her to navigate. She's doing awesome. Next time I'll let you open the parachute. Smile. All right, we made it. What do you think?
I kind of lost my balance, but that was
That's okay. You got your
amazing.
ground legs back. You got your air legs.
Oh yeah.
You gonna do this again next weekend?
Oh, maybe not next weekend.
Next time
but
I'll let you open the
definitely.
parachute.
Really?
Just have to pull on the golf ball. Give you an altimeter, teach you how to skydive. Come back out, see us again. Skydive Colorado Springs.
That was phenomenal. I did.